Hello everyone, so today I am going to be trying to install an IBM OEM version of Windows 95 and trying to explore it. I already downloaded a Windows 98 version, but it didn't work. It got to a desktop, but Explorer would crash immediately and I couldn't fix it. So we're going to try this and hopefully we have better luck this time. So this is... Did I put in the wrong... No, supposedly this is Windows 98, or 95, excuse me. They might have just forgotten to change... IBM might have just forgotten to change the, how they wrote it. So I'm going to boot straight into DOS. And what we have to do is go into fdisk, and enable large disk support, and we'll create... yeah. If you've used fdisk before, you know what I'm doing. Yeah, see, so it formatted the 6 GB VMware disk, and we're going to boot back into the CD-ROM, and yeah, and we're going to type in format C to clean the drive, and yep. And as you can see, it says 6,142 megabytes, so that is correct. So we're going to reboot again and boot off the disk again. Sorry. Let's get into the BIOS so we can fix it. Okay. Dang it. Really? Ugh. Okay, this might take a while. What? There we are. Okay, enter setup. Boot and boop, boop, boop. There. And this one will not format the hard drive. And I did this before, so we should see, like, yeah, a bunch of stuff, a bunch of this. And supposedly this is Windows 95 instead of 98, but... Okay, this is Windows 95 because it had all those win95 underscore blah blah. Alright, so... Alright, the disk is already disconnected, and you just press any key and it should boot straight into Windows 95. Alright, let's Google this first. So, first step of troubleshooting. While initializing device, anti-kern Windows protection error. VMware. Okay, so the CPU is too fast, apparently. Windows 95 CPU fix. I forgot about that. So what we have to do is we have to download this, yeah. So what this does is this will fix the Windows 95 CPU issue, which is, something that was known where if your CPU is faster than 500 megahertz, it won't work. And considering this is a Ryzen 7, it's going to be a Ryzen 7 is much faster than 500 megahertz. So let's reset it and should boot. Whoops, excuse me. Connect the disk. Restart the guest. And there we are. High-speed processor support. Press any key to continue. Alright, it's 350 megahertz. Yeah. Alright. Press any key and remove the disk. Yeah, we'll reset it. And should work now. Yes! Okay. So we'll start with English United States. And we'll just do 8787. I accept. This I was about to say this might be OSR2, but I guess not. I am going to have to blur that out just in case, but, you know, just WinWorld PC, honestly. You can just get them there. I just used, like, the first one I saw. So this is what it did before, except this is going a lot faster than it did on Windows 98. Yeah. Alright, I probably shouldn't have jinxed it. Yeah, I really shouldn't have jinxed it. Oh, brother. This is gonna take a while, isn't it? If we get to a desktop, I can install VMware tools. Yeah, so... Anyway. This is the screen I got last time, too. And you just hold down Enter, and it'll work. PCI, VGA, excuse me. No. No. Let's not reboot right now.
No.
Let's reboot when we get to, like, a desktop or something. No. It's Sound Blaster 16. Okay, good. And yeah, you can see it has a little customization. It has a picture of a laptop there. But yeah, I figured it would be, because I've really been like, I haven't been able to get that many ideas for videos, so I figure why not explore, you know, OEM copies of Windows, like older versions of Windows. I'm not going to say old, because, you know, I'll probably do up to like XP or something. I mean, most of the time I just uninstall this crap the second I get a computer, but it'd be interesting to look through it, especially since with these older computers it wasn't just all junkware. It actually, some of it might actually be interesting. Yeah. You know, maybe I should have read that README. Well, too late now. Actually, I think what I read on the archive.org page is the README, so yeah, I'm fine. Okay. No. 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 It's like, wrong answer, wrong answer. Eastern. Apply. Okay. Windows messaging. Okay. I don't have a printer. No. Hey, that worked! Okay, awesome. Alright, it worked. Alright, yes! And it doesn't detect the optical drive. You know what I can do, though? You know what I can do? I can get a DOS boot CD and just copy the files over from there. See, I'll put in the Windows 95 recovery disk. So I was right, they forgot to change it. Anyway, this one actually seems to be working, so yes, so let's restart. Boot off the optical drive. Dang it, and I forgot to connect it. Oh no! Alright, back to the desktop. Okay. So let's restart, and this time it'll boot off the disk, because that's how I have it. Alright, boot to DOS prompt. And now it should get the correct drivers. Unknown device, thanks. Unknown monitor, thanks. You know, alright, good. So, my computer, now it's detected. Yes to all. And because it's such an old version of Windows, it didn't care about security. So, the auto runs no matter what. I don't care. I don't care. Alright, so while it may not have the video, alright, installing, save this to the, okay, let's take a picture of this. Okay, so now I know what it's trying to get me to do. So let's restart this machine. You can't boot off the VMware Tools CD-ROM. Okay, good. So we're at a desktop, and it is click the Change Display Type button. Oh, so it's in here. Advanced options, change. Okay, and have disk, enter C, program files, VMware tools, drivers, video. Okay, great, thank you. Yeah, I know. Oh, I see. So let's do it the right way, which is to go into Device Manager, Display Adapters, Properties, Driver, Update Driver, yes, Other Locations, and see. I have a feeling this is more for Windows. No, it is for Windows 98. Then what is it doing? Or Windows 95. Insert the disk labeled VMware Tools. Press OK. No, stop. vmxsvga.drv. Oh my gosh. Where would that be? So, what? VMX. No, cancel. So let's explore. There we are. So VMX. We get a DRV. It's an INF, not a DRV. Okay. So, oh gosh. You know, I'm frankly surprised VMware Tools still works on this version of Windows. .drv. Just skip that one file. Skip. Yes. So it found it-ish. So properties, settings, stop, it's already here, finish, okay. Am I really going to be stuck at 640 by 480? Guess not. Whoa. Okay. Close all open windows. They weren't kidding. Jeez. Oh. Oh, okay. But I can kind of draw with it. Anyway, yeah. Okay, finish, reboot again. I think Windows 95, VMX svga.drv. Okay, so according to this article, it should be in the system folder. And it's not great. And it even got rid of the desktop too. That's brilliant. Skip it. Alright, let's use the MSI file. Modify CGA install. Okay, so I guess that added all the files, but I'm going to double check now. So it is VMX. No, it did not add them. VMM32. You know what, I've had about enough. I've really had enough. Going in here and changing this to a standard monitor type of Super VGA 1024 by 768. Apply. Okay, close. Didn't work. Great. Do we have VMware? No. Great. I mean, I do have a desktop, but video would really be, HD video would really be nice. And it technically says it's installed here. So I don't know what it's... It needs to find VM... Okay. Advanced properties. Change. There, that's it. VMX svga.drv. Mount just the entire computer. VMX svga.drv is in C program. Blah, 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 blah. There it is. Okay. Okay, so I'm just really stupid, but we knew that already. Anyway, so it's in, oh my gosh, what? C, oh, just different layout than what I'm used to in modern Windows. C program, files, VMware, drivers, video, okay, and yes, good. Okay, so I just misunderstood the stupid thing really badly. And no. Okay, so now we should be able to change it. Yes, okay, awesome. So Yeah. True color 1024 by 768, and that's about the best this thing can do, unfortunately. Alright, and stop trying to do it. Okay. Can we get like an all modes option? Monitor. Ah, that's probably what you have to do, don't you? Yeah. Well, whatever. I guess this means this video isn't going to be widescreen. Oh well, hold on. Okay, so now we can finally take a look at this OEM copy of Windows 95. I keep saying 98. So Card Wizard requires blah blah blah, and that's not loaded. That doesn't really matter. And the wallpaper went away. Beautiful. But as you can see, we actually have quite a few of these IBM wallpapers. So we have, what's that? I guess, yeah, get back there. Probably some Internet Explorer crap. Okay, so yeah, Blue 10, IBM Thinkpad. It probably has a lot more of them. Yeah, there we are. IBM 1024 and IBM 800. So this is the one we were seeing this whole time. It was just dithered like crazy. Can we close this? Thank you. I don't know what that is. Actually, I think I do, but I'm not sure. But yeah, this is, I guess, the IBM wallpaper that we saw earlier. Another one, I guess, tiled. The IBM logo. Stop. It's not gonna happen. Kids. Stop! Jeez. I guess these are just like code names for the wallpaper. Same one, but 800. Manch. Stop. I'm guessing that means man chilling or something like that. Montage. That's what that means. Yeah, this is definitely a montage. And you know what? You can just, I guess it's going to reopen every time I change the wallpaper. So, stop it. It's not going to happen. Just get this. There. Okay. You're not bothering me. Same thing, but 800 by 600. Nugra is, I guess the same one. OEM logo. That's the, I guess we don't have that one. Quad 10. Seem mostly business oriented, but this was a business machine. Okay, what is this thing doing? Yeah, half of these definitely do seem ridiculously business oriented. Yeah, but I'm not sure what I was expecting. Active desktop. This looks interesting. Oh, right, this is just what they were trying to push back then. Alright, let's just do, here's the setup one. There we go. And we can finally close that out for real. So what's this? Config safe. No. Auto check. No. Is that literally all it is? Must just be a program IBM put on. This is track point. Track point properties. I guess this is mouse settings for this computer. Yeah, so like if we were to get something we can scroll with, like control panel, if we were to like get a really small control panel window, and it's not detecting the scroll wheel, never mind. But I guess that's what it would look like. I've seen that before on laptops, so yeah. In fact, I think they use that same thing even today, IBM. Let's see, anything else? Programs. CardWorks. What is this? CardWorks. Oh, this is for PCMCIA cards, I guess. Config safe. Oh, this is probably what they used it to make this image. Okay. Internet Explorer. PC Doctor. What? Did they actually pay for this? IBM. I think they actually paid for it. Amazing. Yeah, this is just stuff that comes with Windows. System information. System info. Okay, well this is different. Oh yeah, Windows 95 C. Doesn't know what the AMD processor is. That's to be expected. That's probably why it hasn't been updated in a long time. Probably just left it in there. Yeah, this is interesting what it's keeping in here. And this is, I guess, for if this was an actual computer, you could run diagnostics. But we don't need to run diagnostics, as this is a virtual machine. It's going to work. Fuel gauge. I guess this is for, like, the battery, if this had one. Yeah, so I guess you'd keep this in, like, here. Not sure why you would want that. I mean, then again, the one that comes with Windows is kind of sucky. Or the one that came with pre-Windows, you know, like 7 or something. Alright, what else? ThinkPad configuration. And I guess this is like what the computer it would have come with looks like. So, information, audio, enable. Okay. Does it not have an audio device detected? No, it doesn't. It doesn't detect the audio device. I don't really care. I don't care. Power management. Yeah, that's so. This is like, I guess, more stuff pointing to stuff in Windows. Serial port, joystick, LCD, screen blanking. This probably is not going to work on VMware. External display, PCI. PC card, port replicator view, rear view, front view. I see. Is that it? License information. English. Oh, I'm not reading that. Alright. Anything else on here? See. That's probably that PC Doctor thing. Yeah. Link info, PH disk. Yes! Open with Notepad. Why? Nice. I wonder what programmer horror story is behind just having to have a file that's yes. And just why? Because, you know, that there's got to be a reason behind that. There definitely has to be a reason behind that. Alright, Windows, get down here. I think I saw something in the system folder, actually. Like, let's just search for Think 1. Oh, screensavers. Okay, I gotta see that. Whoa. Woo. VMware not happy. Is it in here? Yes. Okay, so mystify your mind. Oh, this screensaver. So yeah, Think 1. What's this? Alright, that's not interesting. Settings. Copyright 1996 Micro Interactive. Think 2. Just the device, I guess, that it would have been installed on. Really old looking light bulb. and it probably just loops from here. I'm going to say that it loops from here. Yeah, okay. Anything else really interesting in here? Curves and colors. I don't think that... Is that a generic thing for Windows 95? I think it is. I think it is. Subscriptions? Nothing. Is there anything else for Think? Because that's really the only thing that caught my attention. Is that it? I guess so. Wow, they put a lot less on these things, or they put a lot more on these things than what they used to. Remember. Oh my gosh, I have to like go through so many hoops when I first setting up a computer or a laptop, and this has like nothing on it. I mean, if I was gonna be setting this thing up, I would probably go into... Alright, I don't use... Alright, so yeah. Alright, so what would I... Oh, alright, it does have more on here. So what would I gotten rid of? Year 2000 update. So Video Live Player. I have not seen that anywhere. Stupid. Yeah, for some reason, VMware, or Windows 95 doesn't really like the VMware mouse. Nor does 98. In fact, most 9X, 9X things don't like it. So what is it? Video Live? It's just a cab file. That's not actually installed. CardWorks, yeah, I probably would have gotten rid of this, but I mean, Music Control, Microsoft Music Control. I'm not seeing any of this, honestly. IBM TrackPoint, yeah. I mean, Microsoft Wallet. I feel like none of this is actually installed on here. It's just a cab file. Open with... there's got to be a way to extract these cabs. How big is this? Only 309 kilobytes. So that's, yeah, so see Windows... Oh, is it optional stuff? I wonder what... Or... CMD. I wonder if in... Stop it! I wonder if in making this be able to run on other systems, he didn't install any... Or the guy who made this didn't install any of the optional stuff. So let's see. What's in here? So yeah. So this is like a whole bunch of... I mean, there's Windows 95 stuff in here, granted. But... get bigger, please. Doesn't matter. So how do you extract a cab again? This thing is a little frustrating. Good, okay, so see stuff. And it should have... This will... No! Install. Microsoft Wallet Manager. Wow. This is interesting. I didn't know this existed. Man, this has a whole bunch of stuff under the surface. So manage your address and payment information stored in the Microsoft Wallet. So, so yeah, let's just add a... Alright, I'm just gonna add like a random one. John Doe 09. What date is it in the virtual machine? Yeah, 2022, so I'll do 0422. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And next. Oh my gosh, really? Fake credit card number generator. There we are. So card brand. Discover. Expiry. 4/22. 1. Generate. So this is one that, while actually isn't in use, we'll actually like check out on this. I guess it's like a mathematical thing rather than anything connecting to an online server. Yeah, billing address. New address. John. So John Doe 1 example street. One, two, three. So yeah, I guess this is like interesting. So I'm not sure. Yeah, I can kind of see why this. Well, this feels kind of redundant, and I bet you if I were to download like Firefox on here, I bet you none of this would work. Yeah, I think that's it. So yeah. So anyway, it's time to shut this thing down. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was a little interesting just how much work that was for, you know. I mean, I still couldn't get the stupid Windows 95 version to run, or Windows 98 version, but at least I got one of the versions to run, because I guess this computer shipped with both Windows 98 and 95, so, yeah, if you find this interesting, let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and take care.